Your AI can now work directly with WP Rocket and help you manage your sites. One conversation for your whole portfolio. Let me show you how to set it up. It only takes a few minutes. You'll need 3 things. First, Codex Desktop installed on your machine. Second, WP Rocket installed and active on your site. Third, an application password so Codex can access your site securely. One more thing, the MCP connection uses the npx command, so you'll need Node.js installed, on Mac or on Windows. Let's start with the application password. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Users, and open your profile. Scroll down to Application Passwords. Give it a name, something like WP Rocket MCP, and click Add New. WordPress will generate a password for you. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Otherwise, you will need a new one the next time. This is what Codex will use to connect to your site. Quick note, you can always revoke this access later from the same page if you need to. Next, let's make sure Node.js is installed. Open your terminal on Mac, or Command Prompt on Windows, and type npx. If it comes back with the path, you're good. If not, head to nodejs.org to download and install it. Now, let's connect Codex to your site. Open Codex, go to Settings, and select MCP Servers. Codex supports multiple MCP connection types. For WordPress MCP integrations, you'll choose stdio. In the form, give your connection a name. We recommend using your website domain so it's easy to identify later. For command to launch, enter npx. Next, add the arguments. We've included the exact values in the description so you can copy and paste them. Now, you need to replace the placeholders with your site's URL, your WordPress username, and the application password you created earlier. Take a moment to review your configuration and double-check every value. Then click Save. Now, head back to the MCP servers page, find your new server in the list, and click Restart. Codex reloads its MCP servers automatically, so this only takes a few seconds. Now let's check that the connection works. Click Back to App to leave the settings screen, then start a new chat. Let's make sure everything works. I'll ask Codex, what MCP tools are available from my WordPress site? And there they are. Codex can see all the WP Rocket MCP abilities, reading your Rocket Insight scores, adjusting your settings, measuring the impact of changes, and more. Now let's try a real one. I'll ask, what is my speed score? And just like that, Codex pulls the real data from Rocket Insights and gives me my actual performance score. No copy pasting, no switching tabs, just a conversation. From here, you can ask anything. Summarize your report, check which recommendations to apply first, enable a WP Rocket feature, or even generate a full performance report for your client. And if you manage more than one site, just repeat these steps to add another server entry for each client site, using a different name and WP API URL each time. Codex will be able to work across all of them. That's it. One setup and your AI can now monitor, fix, and report on your sites, all grounded in your real Rocket Insights data, and nothing changes without your approval. We've put together a blog post with 5 use cases showing what you can do with WP Rocket MCP, from daily portfolio checks to automated client reports. The link is in the description. Give WP Rocket MCP a try and let us know what you think in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're using it with your clients.